This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on an Indian Roadmaster. Note that some features and accessories shown may not be present on all models and may not represent production vehicles. Starting at the front of the vehicle, inside the headlamp housing, you will find the headlight adjustment screws. On the left side of the bike you will find the air filter, spark plugs, the oil filter, oil cooler, shift lever, left floorboard, side stand, oil dipstick, and the passenger footboard. Remove the left side trim panel to access the fuse box, diagnostic connector, and the shock fill port. Move up to the left side of the fairing to find the wind deflector and a storage compartment. The left handlebar contains the clutch lever, mirror, toggle switch, horn switch, high beam, low beam, and flash to pass switch, turn signal and hazard warning switch, audio control switch, and screen selection switch. Between the handlebars are speedometer with fuel gauge, tachometer, ride command display, a storage compartment with USB terminal, auxiliary light switch, if equipped, battery charge port, fuel cap, ornamental cap, heated hand grip switch, power lock switch, and handlebar lock, which can be locked and unlocked using the key on the key fob. The right handlebar contains the front brake lever, front brake lever adjustment, mirror, toggle switch, front brake fluid reservoir, power switch, engine run, stop, start switch, cruise control switch, windscreen control switch, throttle twist grip. The right side of the fairing has a wind deflector and a storage container. On the right side of the vehicle you will find the rear brake pedal, rear brake reservoir, right floorboard, passenger floorboard, and the drive belt. On the seat, you'll find the heated and cooled seat switches for the rider and passenger, if equipped. Underneath the seat you will find the battery. Behind the seat are the saddlebags, hard trunk with a 12-volt outlet, and the antenna. The VIN label is located on the chassis frame behind the headlight. The VIN is also stamped on the right front chassis frame behind the headlight. For more information, see your authorized Indian motorcycle dealer or visit indianmotorcycle.com.